In this video, I'm going to show you how to use PaperCut from start to finish so that if there's any issues with how you're printing and it's not working, you should be able to follow these steps and verify you're doing everything correctly. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you are on the private network. So go up to your network icon, click on that, and make sure it says Private Christ Fellowship, Private Connection Center, High Connections. As long as you're not on guest, you need to be on our local network. Okay, number two, you need to make sure that the PaperCut client is actually running on your computer. I don't have it running right now, so the best way to make it run is you can either reboot and it should start up automatically, or go to the little search icon up here and type in PCC for PaperCut client, press enter, and then you'll see the client loads. So right here, PaperCut client is running. So there's step two. Step three would be to make sure that the printer is configured properly. So I'm going to open a Word document and I'm going to hit File, Print. Alright, I'm going to print Office East, and I want to make sure that number one, the color setting in my selections is set to black and white. And then I'm going to come back over here and I want to go to Job Handling. And under Job Handling, I want to go to Authentication. And I want to make sure that the user number is 12345. 12345 is what the printers have in them as a code to know that PaperCut is printing to them. If you leave this step out, the printer will not print your project. So from here, I'm going to hit Print. And whenever you hit Print, the next thing that should happen, you should see a print notification dialog pop up on your screen, and this tells you whether it's a grayscale or it would be color if that's not there, and then it lets you select the account to charge it to. Everybody has different accounts. My accounts are Kevin Personal and Technology Services, and I was Testing Worship. So I'm going to print this document, and that should be it. So now for troubleshooting, I'm going to close down PaperCut and show you what happens. Okay, so for troubleshooting purposes, number one, you want to make sure you're on the right network. But number two, if you don't have PaperCut running, here's what could happen. You're going to print a document, Office East PaperCut. I want to make sure that I have color set to black and white. And I'll make sure that I have my job handling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I hit print, okay, in my own print queue on my computer, I should see the document show up and disappear. If it doesn't disappear from my computer, that means there's another issue, like it's not even getting off my computer. Once it's off my computer, like I did here, I would go to the printer and not even see it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run PC Client, and it knows I have a job sitting out there. There it is.